Good morning, all of you. This is our assignment for pre-primary class. I hope all the parents have purchased the book set. So, every Friday we will work in our assignment. Please, those parents have not purchased, purchase it as soon as possible.
Good morning. Hope you all are good. So, today, tell me one thing. मम्मी पापा का कहना मान रहे हैं. We should obey our elders. We should obey our elders. इसका मतलब हमें बड़ों का कहना मानना चाहिए, obey करना चाहिए. वो जो हमें कहते हैं, we should listen them. Okay, because you all are good children. आप सबको कहना मानना चाहिए. Not only your parents, your grandparents, your uncle, your auntie, your chacha, your chachi. Okay. So today I am here for maths class. Today we will work in our assignment. All of you have, I hope, purchased this from the book shop. आप सबने बुक सेट खरीद लिया ना? ये बुक सेट में है. So today you will work in it and click the photo and send it to me. Okay, fine. Let's come. We will start working our assignment. Let's come. So kids, this is our assignment and this is page number 95. Maths work we will do in it. Now, here it's written write 11 to 40. हमें काउंटिंग लिखनी है, 11 से स्टार्ट करनी है. We are not starting from 1. हम 11 से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. Here it's written 11. यहाँ 11 लिखा हुआ है. So let's start from 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So after 19 already here written 20. 9 के बाद 0, 1 के बाद 2. You know 19 के बाद number will change. Okay, here written 20. अब जब हम लाइन में लिखते हैं, ऐसे स्ट्रेट लाइन में टेंसन्स लिखते हैं, तो हमारा आफ्टर 20 वी कैरी द सेम नंबर. तो यहाँ पे भी सेम नंबर है. नाउ दिस नंबर इज 21. 21 है. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, then here written 30. 30 already लिखा हुआ है, तो you will not write 30. इससे पहले से ही लिखा हुआ है. But you do one thing, जब आप ये लिखेंगे, बोलेंगे, you must repeat it. 13 is not 30, it's 13, it's 14. The sound will come teen, 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 teen will come. 15, not 15, not 16, not 17. It's 17, 18, 19, 20. Then 21, 22, 23. Nobody will speak it like this 22, 3, 23, 2, 4, 24. No. You have to speak like this 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, then 30. And this line is 31's line. 31, 30, दिस नंबर इज 30, 30 को हमने इधर कैरी किया और 1 उसमें ऐड किया. नाउ द नंबर इज 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40 already written here. Okay, fine. You will do this counting and you will speak up 2 times. Okay, fine. Now after that हमने already ये किया हुआ है. What comes after? Means here we have some numbers. हमारे पास कुछ numbers हैं, तो इसका after number we will write on this line. This number is 2. What you can do? You have fingers. Fingers में आप count कर सकते हैं. 1, 2, after which number will come? 3. Or you can write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, fine. 2 के बाद which number will come? This number is 2. 2 के बाद is 3. और हम फिंगर में भी काउंट कर सकते हैं. मैंने आपको जैसे बताया था. कैसे बताया था? This finger is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4 and this is 5. Okay, fine. तो 2 के बाद 1, 2, the next finger will be 3. Or you can find from here. 2 के बाद इस number is 3. 9. You can count in your fingers or you can find out from here. 9 के बाद the number will come 10. This number is 3. 3 के बाद find out it's 4. 1. 1 के बाद is 2. 7. It's 8. Very simple now. So after that here is back counting 10 to 0. Already written here. See. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 is called back counting or reverse counting. कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं इसे. Okay. Again we will write 10 already written here. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Again one more time we will write 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Do this work in your assignment, but don't forget to do the practice in the rough notebook. Okay? Our next page is page number 96. Now what is this? Count and encircle the correct number. Okay, fine. Let's count the cup. What we do in the cups? We drink tea, coffee in the cup. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many numbers? 4. So we will color all these cups. Okay, and encircle the 4 and you can color it also. 4 को भी color कर देंगे. Okay, now count it. Trees. Aha. You know, trees are very important in our life. And what the tree gives us? Tree gives us oxygen. So count this tree. 1, 2, 3. You will color green color and brown color here. Here you can do greenery. Okay. This number is 3. You color the 3 number also. Okay. Leaves. Leaves grow on the tree or small plant. कहीं पे भी जो ग्रो करती हैं ट्री के ऊपर भी, स्मॉल प्लांट के ऊपर भी. सो काउंट दिस लीव्स. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many leaves are there? 5. Find out the 5. This number is 5. Color the green color in the leaf and color this also. Okay, flowers. फ्लावर से अभी आपको कुसुम मैम ने बताया था. What the flower gives us? क्या देते हैं? Flowers say give good smell. We make the perfume flower from the flowers. हम फ्लावर से परफ्यूम भी बनाते हैं. So count these flowers. 1, 2. How many flowers? 2. Circle the 2. Color the different color in the flowers. Leaves should be green and this should be with different color. A tractor. कहाँ चलता है? In the field. 1. Circle the 1 and color it. Okay, do this in your assignment and send that to your teacher. Again I will come with another class. Till then, bye.